Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, A Kalaiva. Today's session is Maths. I am going to teach you a chapter, Subtraction. In this subtraction, I am going to teach you three headings. The first heading is subtraction with regrouping 2-digit to 1-digit. See the question. Here the question is 25 minus 7. It is not possible to subtract 7 ones from 5 ones. So we are going to borrow 1/10 from this 2 ones. So if I am going to borrow 1/10 from 2 ones, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and regroup 1/10 to 10 ones. That is 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. So 10 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 15. So I am writing 15 here and we are going to subtract 15 minus 7. Okay. Now keep 7 in the mind and I am going to do the forward counting. Okay. Till the number 15 I am going to do forward counting. 7 in the mind, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers I have opened? I have opened 8 fingers. So I have to write 8. And now we are going to subtract the tens. 1 is there, right? Here there is no any digit. If there is no any digit, we have to assume it is 0 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So 25 minus 7 is equal to 18 is the answer. Okay. And now I am going to teach you the next sum. Now I am going to subtract the ones. Here you can see the question 72 minus 6. It is not possible to subtract the 6 ones from 2 ones. So I am going to borrow 1 from this 7 ones. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 and regroup 1/10 to 10 ones. That is 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus this 2 tens, 2 ones, 10 ones plus this 2 ones is equal to 12. Okay. So write 12 here and now I am going to subtract 12 minus 6. Keep 6 in the mind and 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Till up to the number 12 I have counted and I have opened 6 fingers. So you have to write 6 and see the tens now. Here there is no any digit. So if there is no digit, we have to assume it is 0. So 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. So 72 minus 6 is equal to 66 is the answer. Now we are going to second heading, that is subtraction with regrouping 2-digit to 2-digit. Okay. Now see the first sum, 63 minus 36. Now we are going to subtract the ones. It is not possible to subtract 6 ones from this 3 ones. So I am going to borrow 1/10 from the 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So regroup 1/10 to 10 ones. That is 10 ones is equal to 1/10. Okay. Here 10 plus 10 ones plus 3 ones, how much? 13. So write 13. Now I am going to subtract 13 minus 6. Keep 6 in the mind and 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Up to 13 I have counted and I have opened 7 fingers. So you have to write 7 and now I am going to subtract the tens. 5 minus 3. 3 in the mind, 3 after 4, 5. We got 2. Okay. 63 minus 36 is equal to 27 is the answer. And next sum. Now 44 minus 18 we are going to subtract. See, I am going to subtract the ones first. It is not possible to subtract 8 ones from 4 ones. So I am going to borrow 110 from this 4 ones. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and regroup 110 to 10 ones. That is 110 is equal to 10 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 14. So write 14 and now I am going to subtract 14 minus 8. Till 14 I am going to do forward counting. Keep the number 8 in the mind and 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers I have opened? 6. So write 6. And now I am going to subtract the tens. 3 minus 1. 1 in the mind, 1 after, 2, 3. How many fingers I have opened? 2. So write 2. 44 minus 18 is equal to 26 is the answer. Now we are going to see the third heading, word problem. And in the word problem, how we are going to subtract, we are going to see. Before that, we all know there are many names of subtraction. They are left with, take away, minus and less than. These words indicates subtraction. Okay, these words indicates subtraction. Whenever these words comes in the word problem, definitely we have to do subtraction. Now let's see the word problem. Ram bought 54 balloons on his birthday. 13 of them burst. How many are left? We are going to find out the solution. There are 4 steps to do the word problem. Okay. The first step, you see, number of balloons Ram bought. Here, how many balloons Ram bought? 54 balloons. So, you have to write 54. Okay. And in the second step, we have to write number of balloons burst. See how many number of balloons burst? 13. Okay. You have to write 13. Now we are going to find out how many balloons are left in the third step. Okay. Third step, number of balloons left. So we have to subtract 15 minus 13. First we have to subtract the ones. Here 4 minus 3. Keep 3 in the mind. 3 after 4. How many fingers you have opened? 1. So write 1. And now I am going to subtract tens. 5 minus 1. Okay. Keep 1 in the mind and count forward number 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 I have opened the finger. There are 4 fingers. I have opened 4 fingers. So write 4. Now the fourth step is answer. The final answer is we got 41. By subtracting 54 minus 13 we got 41. That we have to write answer. Number of balloons left is equal to 41. Hope you understood this chapter. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.